It's my absolute pleasure this morning to welcome you to Okanagan College and the official opening of the Trades Training House.
I'm Kent Mulgat with Kelowna Now, joined by Jim Hamilton, president of Okanagan College, where today we saw the grand opening of the new Trades Training House. This a cooperatively funded project with the federal government, your normal funding through the province, and some contributions from local companies to make this happen. How important is it to see a building like this, and what will it do for people who are seeking employment in the trades?
Sure. So this building performs a couple important functions. First of all, students are going to be learning to do by doing. So you can see in behind us right now, you see bare wall studs, and the electrical students are in there and they're wiring the house as they would on a job site. So it approximates conditions on the job site, and we use it for a number of different trades. So the plumbing pipe fitter folks will be doing their work in the building. The electrical students are in there right now. Sheet metal will be in as well. So it's an active learning, experiential learning for our students. And then the other thing that's important about it is that we can change what's inside this house anytime we want. So as new techniques develop, as new products come online, as employers approach us and say, well, things are changing in our business, we really need to be doing this, this, and this. This building is perfectly suited for us to be able to do it. And the other thing I have to say is the support from industry speaks volumes about how important they think this kind of training is. Because we've had a third of the cost of this building come from donors of various kinds, individuals, businesses, and other groups in the community. So this is a real three-part partnership that's come to fruition, and it's a capstone of our trades training revitalization on this campus. So we now have new facilities and renovated facilities for all of our trades here.
This is an excellent example of a good idea coming into something tangible. At the end of your training here, when you get your ticket and you're ready to go out in the world, the odds are you're going to come up with or be faced with a really great, high quality, high paying job right out of the gate, and that's what this is all about. It helps the economy and helps everybody involved.
And we were speaking earlier about the fact that there's a lot of avenues where people can pursue education, and for some people, education for education's sake is great, but this is an area where when you come through a program like this, you are looking at employment.
Absolutely, and in some of the trades there will be 100% employment right out of the gate. And our students, when they become apprentices, of course, they have an employer signed up with them already. But this is a relatively fast track to well-paid employment for a lot of students. And it's not a question of whether the university degree is better than this kind of training. Trades are an honorable profession, have been for many centuries, really. You go back into Europe, and I'm really pleased to see it gaining a lot more credibility and attracting a lot more students than was the case, say, even 5 years ago or 10 years ago.
Yeah, terrific. Thanks very much, Jim Hamilton.
Okay, thank you.
President of Okanagan College. You're watching Kelowna Now.